Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of signing up for CommonLit, an excellent resource for educators and students to find engaging reading materials. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the CommonLit website. Open your web browser and go to the CommonLit website by typing in www.commonlit.org. Once the page loads, you'll see the home page with various options and resources available. Step 2. Find the Sign Up button. Look at the top right corner of the home page. You will see a Sign Up button. Click on it to proceed to the registration page. Step 3. Choose your account. Type CommonLit offers different account options. You can choose to sign up as a teacher, student, or parent. Select the option that best fits your needs. Step 4. Fill in your information. You will be directed to a registration form. Enter the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. Step 5. Agree to the terms. Before proceeding, read the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've understood them, check the box to agree to the terms. Step 6. Confirm your email address. After filling out the registration form and clicking Sign Up, check your email for a confirmation link from CommonLit. Go to your email inbox, find the email, and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Step 7. Log in to your new account. Return to the CommonLit website. Click Login at the top right corner and enter your email and password to access your new account. Step 8. Explore the features. Now that you are logged in, take some time to explore CommonLit's features. You can search for reading materials, create assignments, and track student progress. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to sign up for CommonLit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. See you next time.